Namaste, I'm Nisha Thakur. I'm Maths Online Tutor, and in this video, we are going to focus on factoring or factor out the common factor. So, let's try an example. Let's see this minus 2x to the power 3 plus 14x. This is algebraic expression, and we have to take something common factor. So here two terms separate by this plus sign. What is here common? So 2 and 14. So what should we take common from both? We can take common 2 because 2 has a factor 2 and 14 means 2 times 7. And here how many x? 3. Here 1. So we can take common from both 1x. So just x. Here we taken out common 2 and x. So negative left here. And here we took 1x. So here rest of the x, which is x square plus, okay, 14x. So we already taken out 2, so 2 times 7 and already taken out x, so this is the answer. Or we can take common negative also. So when we take common from here negative outside, so all sign will be changed. Minus x square become positive x square and plus 7 become minus 7. So this is our answer. Okay, let's try another example. Here three terms, this one and this one, separated by this plus and minus. So what is here common thing? 2. Here coefficients are 2, 4 and 14. So what is here highest common factor? 2, 4, 14. 2 is already factored. 4 means 2 times 2 and 14 means 2 times 7. It means here 2 is common. So let's take common 2. Here x power 4, x power 3 and x power 2. So here highest common factor is 2, means x square, x to the power 2. Okay. So from here we already taken out 2x square, so here just left x square plus here 4x cube, already taken out 2, so 2 times 2 4 and x square we taken out, so here just 1x, so 2x minus 2 times 7 14 and x square already we taken out. So this is our answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, now here two terms, this one first and this one second, separated by this plus sign. From this term and this term, here what is common factor? So bracket portion is common factor, so we can take out common factor bracket. Okay, from here bracket portion we taken out here common, so here just left y plus here y minus 6 bracket portion we already taken out, so plus 9, and this is the answer. Very simple questions these are. Okay, here two terms, this is first term, this is second term, separated by minus. So what is here common factor? Here z or z plus 2 whole square minus 5z plus 2. So here bracket portion z plus 2, here 2 and here just 1. So we can take 1 bracket z plus 2. This is common factor. Okay. Now here I think I have to use this parenthesis bracket, square bracket. So here z plus 2 square. So we took just this one part. So another part here left, z plus 2. Now this minus. From here this is we took common and this is 5. Z plus 2. Now here z plus 2 minus 5. Z plus 2 minus 5. We can combine like terms. Here both are constant. Plus 2 minus 5, different sign, subtract. So 5 subtract 2, which is 3, and take larger number sign, negative. This is the answer. These are very simple questions. Okay, now here 3 terms. This one, and this one separated by negative and positive. So what should we take common here? Let's think about it. 2, here coefficients are 2, 6 and 3. So here factor of 6 is 2 times 3, but here 3 and here 3. Yeah, here 2. We can't take common. Here no highest common factor. Okay, don't take. Here x square, x and x. So here we can take common single x. Y square, y. Oh yes, we can take common y. Now here 2 left, x left, y already taken out, minus 6, x already taken out, y, 1y we taken out, just 1y left, plus 3 left, and xy already taken out, so just 3. This is our answer. Okay, this is last question. Here already given 3 terms, this one, this one, this one, and what should we take common? So here coefficients are 7, 14 and 21. 14 means 2 times 7, 21 means 3 times 7, so 7 here common. So let's take common 7. X to the power 4, x and x. So we can take single x. Y square, y to the power 3, y to the power 4. Okay, we can take y square. Negative, or we can take common negative also. So here all terms will be just change the sign of these. So from here we taken out negative here, so it will be positive. 7 already taken out, x, so just x to the power 3 left, y square already taken out. Okay, this is positive, so convert into negative because already taken this negative sign. So 7 times 2, 14, x already taken, y square, so just 1y left. Now here negative because sign change. 23 divided by 7 is 3, or 7 times 3, 21. X already taken out, y to the power 4, here y square taken out, so just y square left. and this is our answer. So that's it. Okay, hope this video helped you out and appreciate you watching, and you have a great day. Bye, have a nice time.